I'm HVAC Repair Guy, an HVAC service technician with 17 years in the field and a former nuclear power electrician. Over the years, I've diagnosed, repaired, and maintained thousands of residential heating systems. Today, we're comparing the System 2000, Frontier, and the Peerless Series WBV. On paper, both supply heat to your home, but once you look past the brochures, there are some important differences. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which boiler has the higher efficiency rating. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning, servicing, and operating the unit over the next 15 or 20 years. The Peerless Series WBV is a classic, heavy, cast-iron boiler built for rugged durability. The System 2000. Frontier is a low-mass steel hybrid boiler engineered to heat up fast and minimize standby heat loss. Let's look at efficiency. The Peerless WBV comes in at 87.5% AFU, while the System 2000 Frontier sits slightly higher at 88.6% AFU. AFU measures how effectively a boiler converts fuel into usable heat. A 1% difference on paper won't drastically change your oil delivery bill on its own. The System 2000 uses a thermal purge control system that captures residual heat and dumps it into your hot water tank rather than letting it escape up the chimney. That system reduces idle losses, giving it a real-world edge in annual fuel consumption. Think of the heat exchanger as the heart of your heating system. Peerless builds the WBV using sectional cast iron backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Cast iron is thick, durable, and forgiving, but it takes 8 to 15 minutes to heat up from a cold start. System 2000 uses a low-mass steel heat exchanger that heats up in under 2 minutes with a 5-year electronics warranty. When it comes to burner controls, both systems utilize single-stage oil burners like Beckett or Carlin. System 2000 incorporates its digital energy manager to control purging and domestic hot water priority. That added electronic complexity improves efficiency, but replacement parts may not be standard off the shelf. The Peerless uses standard, widely available hydronic controls that virtually any technician keeps stocked on their truck. An oil boiler is only as reliable as its annual maintenance and the quality of its installation. Oil equipment requires yearly burner tune-ups, nozzle replacements, and heat exchanger cleaning. A poorly installed high-efficiency boiler will fail faster than a basic unit installed properly. Looking at equipment pricing, the Peerless Series WBV block and trim runs around $2,800 to $3,400 online, excluding burner and tank. The System 2000 Frontier typically sells as a complete package with integrated indirect tank and digital controller, pushing costs closer to $6,500 to $8,500 before labor. If you have high domestic hot water demands and want maximum annual fuel savings, the System 2000 earns its keep over time. But if upfront capital or quick off-the-shelf parts availability is your priority, the Peerless offers straightforward reliability. System 2000 is probably better for homeowners who want maximum overall fuel savings and plan to stay long-term. Peerless is probably better for homeowners who prefer time-tested cast iron simplicity and lower upfront equipment costs. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Peerless Series WBV. While the System 2000 is clever technology, the lower equipment cost, bulletproof cast iron build, and universal parts availability of the Peerless mean fewer headaches for long-term ownership.